Hello again
Sat and Pat over here.
from the Drum Pad Studios. Today we're gonna spice things up. We're gonna add some kick hits in our fill-ins. So instead of only playing our fill-ins on the snare and toms, we'll be playing some kick hits in between. I'm gonna explain it to you. Now, let's take the 4 hits per count and let's build on it. So 4 hits per count, taking the following order: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's replace one of the hits with the kick.
Which one?
This is the question.
That's the right question.
Yeah, so what do you think we should
I'll vote
wear?
for the last one.
So Seth is suggesting to play the kick instead of the 4th hit in each count. So let me play it for you. Instead of doing 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll be doing 1, 2, 3, kick. Like this one. So 1. Nice. Instead of 1. So 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna play it a bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one on 60 BPM. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Fill in. Fill in. Fill in. Loved
Very
it.
nice.
Loved it. What about 100 BPM?
Let's try 100.
3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Fill in. Fill in. Fill in. Okay. Amazing. Now, of course, we can change the order. We can change where we play our kick hit. So you can play, for example, the kick instead of the second hit, which will sound like this. 1 instead of left hand on the snare, we'll play the kick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, bass, right, left. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about playing it on 100 BPM directly? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill in. Fill in again. Perfect. So you can do whatever you want. You can even remove hits from each count. So you can play, for example, this one and remove the 4th hit. So it will be 1 without the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So without metronome.
Can we try removing the third hit?
The third hit, so we'll keep. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then 4 with the left hand because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I like it. With the metronome, let's try it on 60 first. So loved it, man. Amazing. Again. Wow, you
Sweet
can.
sounding.
Yeah, I totally agree. You can do whatever you want. Again and again and again. Try to be creative as much as you can. And don't forget, you can change the order as well. And that's it for this lesson. Do you have anything to add, Seth?
And that's it, I guess.
See you in the next one.
See you guys.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.